So I got my first monkey, and he's eyeing me like he wants something. Okay. You don't want to mess with me, I don't want to mess with you. So like I said, online, everyone says you cannot hike this thing in 2 hours. The bus, although now I'm slightly concerned, thinking maybe I didn't understand him. Maybe I literally cannot hike this thing in 1 day, in which case it's gonna be a 2-day hike, which is fine. I just need to mentally know, am I hiking for 1 really long day or 2 really long days? And I don't know. So anyways, we'll see which one prevails. So yeah. Let's get started. Got it. I won't go over 5, I promise. So it's now almost 9 o'clock. I'm at Shui Pavilion, although it's starting to snow. So maybe it's Shui Pavilion. Ha 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 ha. I'm stupid. I think you still can take a bus up to this point, maybe. There's a lot of people here, so I think you can probably take a bus up to this point, and then, because this is a really beautiful area, and there's like lots of, it looks very touristy, but extremely, extremely beautiful. But I have no regrets about walking myself. Unbelievably steep pass. I like literally nearly pulled a muscle in my right quad. I was going and I was like, head down, just do this, grind. And then I was just like pushing. And then my right quad was like, whoop, there we go. And I got very scared because this is not where you want to be when you pull a muscle. But let me just say that I really hope that this is the hardest part and not the other place. Because this, pretty hard. So it is 12:40. I just finally got to the tea house, Cha Pengzi. My legs, man, this is steep. This is real steep. But I got some great noodles. Only 18 kwai. Why did I bring my bag? I have no idea. energy returned with noodles and some Oreos and some rest and some hot water. However, warmth gone a bit.
Hello.
Hello, 你好.
Happy New Year.
是吧？新年快乐。So it is now 3 o'clock, almost exactly. I'm leaving Jiulingang. I think it's Jiulingang, which basically, good and bad, I arrived at Jiulingang earlier than I expected, which is a good thing. However, I thought that the path from Yushan, I don't know, from the previous stop, I thought it was longer, because it was relatively flat, so it was a bit of a break. So I thought it was longer, I could have some cool down, but I got to here pretty quick. Oh, Nelly, okay. Oh man, this is an obstacle course. The sun now has come out, so this is great. This is just, oh man, this is so great. But anyways, now there's nothing left ahead of me but this steep climb. Oh man. I am climbing up a really steep thing. How they get food here blows my mind. It makes me want to eat just because I think it's so impressive. 你好，好，不要，谢谢，谢谢，不要，不要。I can't believe it. And they have vegetables, they have fresh vegetables. Pingwa, they got everything. Wow. And we're still a long way to go. I bought a packet of coffee just because, like I said, I don't know. I don't need to feel guilty, but I feel bad. They have so much, they brought the stuff here, you know, I'm like, I should bring something. And they're like, oh, you're more awesome than us. You have a bag. I'm like, yeah, no, I'm more stupid than you because I have a bag. I don't need a bag because of your place. And then they laughed. So I got my first monkey and he's eyeing me like he wants something. So I'm a little apprehensive. If this GoPro gets stolen, I will cry. Okay. You don't want to mess with me, I don't want to mess with you. Neither of us want to mess with each other. Do you see him chomping those teeth? He said, bro, I will mess you up. And I believe him. I believe him. I really do. Oh, man. So it's been 9 hours. So right now it's 4. Started at 7. This is where the hostel owner recommended I stay. I mean, it's 4. There's plenty of light out. I still have quite a ways to go till I'm like at the summit. And the more hiking I do today, the less hiking I do tomorrow. And oh my goodness, look at these stairs. So these monkeys are a bit aggressive, as they say. There's a girl not far behind me. One of these grabbed me by the leg, so I'm gonna wait for her. I got this stick. Honestly, I picked up this stick though, and one of them came right at me. He wasn't even scared. He was like challenging me. Oh my God. So, they're not really afraid of the stick. 5:45. I've arrived at Leidongping. I have all the I have all of the proof that I need that hiking for 10-11 hours versus taking a bus and arriving to this tourist mess was much better. I still need to find a place to sleep, so I'm on it. So now I know why the hostel owner recommended I stay at Sichuan, which is about 7 kilometers down, because up here at the ski resort, all the hotels are taken. This temple, all its rooms are booked. It's probably going to be the same all around. I'm going to walk further down to another temple 2 kilometers away, Jielin Temple. We'll see. So I passed the people. I don't even want to call it a parade. It was a travesty. There were so many people. It was stampede. Anyways, I just passed a placard. I've been walking for a long time still, trying to get to Taizaping. My GoPro battery just died, so my phone it is. I just passed a placard which said, Chili Slope, which is what I'm on, is famous for being the steepest and longest on Mount Emei. Fantastic. And I don't even know if when I get past Chili Slope, if Taizaping will have a room, but the journey continues. Okay, it is now 7 p.m. So it's officially been 12 hours. I have arrived at Taizaping. Please let there be a room. Please let there be a room. 哎呀，我在路上可以睡，我没问题。Okay, I am not going to freeze on the mountain. Taizaping, they didn't have a room, but then like right across, so like basically the same place, this like restaurant also has rooms. This room has 4 beds. I don't care, and there's no one in it. I've slept in rooms with 16 beds. My room, my bed. So yeah, this room is 100. I don't care. It's on top of a mountain. Probably if I'd say that Sichuan, it would have been maybe like 50. But I'm basically at the summit. Tomorrow it's like just gonna be a short little thing. I'm already at the summit. So I'm ready to stop walking. So it's about 7:15 in the morning, 3 degrees Celsius. So it's not like ridiculously cold. Now heading off. Actually, I didn't leave earlier because I was like, it's probably not going to be a sunrise. But it actually looks pretty clear, so I better get a move on. windy 2.5 hours ahead of me.